A lesson in poem inspiration with a distinguished poet and executive janitorial service critic, Mr. Gerald Vinod Chesterfield III. You idiot!
Oh, crap. Wrong one. Do it again.
Turn the music down. Okay. A lesson in poem inspiration with a distinguished poet and executive janitorial service critic, Mr. Gerald Bernard Chesterfield III. What shall I write about this fine morning? Let nature give me the inspiration. Ah! A key word! Nature! I shall write about nature. I shall write about myself amongst the beautiful environment that God has created for us, humans. Smell the fresh morning scent of air. My eye watches delightfully as a brown squirrel scampers across the green meadow. Listen to the birds as they sang, shattering the break of day. A view of sunlight streaming through the leaves as they sway in the wind. Ah, yes. Vomit today's breakfast. Once again, smell the scent of fresh morning